welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Welcome to another cooking video. This is another recipe from the Tearoom that I used to own, and today we are making 3-cheese quiche. Now, this was a staple, something we made every day at the Tearoom, but some days we always made 3-cheese quiche, but every day we would also make quiche, a different kind of quiche. We always either made a spinach quiche or a quiche Lorraine, which means it had bacon and Swiss cheese in it, or we made a ham quiche, or we made, what else did we make? We made green chili quiche. We made quiche with all kinds of filling, but we're just going to make the base quiche today to show you. And I'll show you along the way what to do if you want to add filling to your quiche as well. So, yeah, this is a very simple recipe. Of course, I will leave the recipe in the description box below. But hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. I love doing makeup material and opening subscription boxes, but like today, I do throw in a cooking video here and there. And also, I do talk about mental health issues sometimes. So if you are into any of that, or say you're into all of that, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe and then hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So let's go ahead and get into the cooking portion of this video. Okay, let's start off with things that we're going to need. So, you are going to need 1 pie crust. I have the kinds that are rolled up and that come in the 2-packs. What you will need to do is get one out and get some parchment paper. And the parchment paper that is like this, I have the Reynolds Kitchen parchment paper. Get some out, roll out your pie crust, and cut a little circle around it. We are going to be putting it in this pie pan here, and you will need 3 eggs, and you will need 2 cups of milk. It doesn't matter what kind of milk you use. We just always use whole milk. And you will need cheese. And we usually use, at the Tearoom, we usually used Colby Jack or Colby, Monterey Jack, and cheddar cheese. What I got from the store is this Mexican style blend, which is a blend of 3 different cheeses. So whatever kind of cheese you want to use, really, it is up to you. So what we are going to do, that is all the ingredients you need: eggs, milk, and cheese. So what we are going to do is take this bowl here, crack the eggs in it, and whisk them up a little bit, and pour in the milk, and then you want to whisk it like your life depended on it, basically. You want to get as much air into that mixture as possible, because that is what's going to make your quiche light and fluffy. So really whisk it as much as possible. So that is the key to getting your quiche as light and airy as you possibly can, so it doesn't look like scrambled eggs when you cut into it. So I am going to crack the eggs in, pour the milk in, and whisk it up and show you what it looks like. And I'm going to put the crust, I'm by myself filming today, so I'm going to put the crust in the pie pan and the cheese in the pie pan, and I will be right back. Okay, so you want it looking nice and frothy like that after you whip it. And then here we have the pie crust in the pan, and we have 4 cups of 4 cups of the cheese mixture in the quiche crust, and then we are going to pour the egg and milk mixture over the cheese. And it's going to come right up to the top. And that's what it's going to look like. Now, if you want to put a filling in your quiche, fill the cheese halfway up, put the filling in, and then put the rest of the cheese on top of it. Okay. And then put your milk and egg mixture into it. Okay, we are going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees. We're going to see how long it takes. It's going to get nice and puffy, and I will tell you how long it takes, because sometimes it takes, it's kind of like, it takes as long as it takes, really. So I will keep on checking on it. I will put it in for half an hour and then check on it and see what it looks like. I will tell you how long it took when I come back. Okay. Okay, so that is what you want it to look like. Nice and fluffy and brown on the top. It is very nice looking, I gotta say. Good job, Jennifer. Okay, so we are going to let this sit for an hour before trying to eat it or take it out of the pan. That is why I put this parchment paper in it, because I am going to take it out of the pan. So we are going to wait until Aaron gets home so he can taste test it. So, okay. We are going to do that.
Okay.
Okay, here's our quiche after it's been sitting a while. And we're going to cut into it. And I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. We're going to cut out a piece for Aaron here.
Oh, that's slicing up nice right there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
This makes 8 servings or 6 servings, depending upon how you cut it. And look at that. That is how it's supposed to look, with the cheese on the bottom and the egg mixture on the top, like that. So you have a nice, beautiful piece of quiche right there. Okay. Okay, now Aaron is going to taste test it for us, as usual.
Good. That's a good quiche. Very light. Melts in your mouth.
Yeah, and so that's how you make a nice, light, and fluffy quiche.
Full of quiche goodness.
All right.
Quiche-tastic.
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 Okay. Okay, so that is it. That's all you need to do. You can keep this in your refrigerator for up to a week, or you can cool it all the way down and freeze it as well if you want to, and keep it in your freezer for a couple of months. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's cooking video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If this looks good to you, or if you tried it and it worked out great for you, then please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay safe, and stay healthy. I got those out of order. And I will see you in another video tomorrow. Just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.